Hey you guys, it's Pinky and I'm here with Throw Essay.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
That's cool. Tell us what's up. We out here in Dallas. What you doing out here in Dallas?
Fresh off a shoot with my bro, High Note Ferrari video shoot, or Rari video shoot, you know what I'm saying? Getting it in, working, doing what we supposed to be doing, applying pressure.
That's what's up. I found you on social media, man. How did you really get started out here rapping? Like,
oh man, just, you know, it's just something that I've always, you know, had a passion for as a kid. So, you know, as time went by, you know, we just got out in the streets and, you know, got bumped ourselves up, bruised ourselves up, cut ourselves, and, you know, slowly and for surely worked our way up to where we need to be.
That's what's up. Are you from Dallas?
Yeah, I was born in Carrollton.
Carrollton, okay.
Yeah, I was born in Carrollton, but I grew up out in Memphis. It's about 45 minutes south of Dallas. So I'm really a country boy. Yes, ma'am.
So how was your childhood? Like, tell us a little brief about how you grew up.
You know, it's just, you know, regular, normal childhood. I grew up, you know, most of what I remember parts of growing up in Carrollton, but it was like, it's real off and on with what I remember from Carrollton, but mostly I remember, you know, growing up in the country, being raised out there, you know what I'm saying? My mom and pops had moved out there I had to be, I think, every bit of the 3rd grade, you know what I'm saying? So
yeah. We was a youngin'.
Yeah. We was out there. They just bought a bunch of land out there, and you know what I'm saying? Got to building and, you know, building up their empire.
For sure. So, are you independent right now?
Yeah, 100%.
Do you want to stay independent?
100%. I can't do nothing different.
Why is that?
It's too easy. Like, it's not, for me, there's no point in signing with a major or you know, just anybody in general, because all they gonna do is really just a loan, right? And outside of rap, I'm really more so a businessman. My business acumen is through the roof. So my outside endeavors are doing very well. So I don't need to, I don't have to, you know what I'm saying? Like, and I really have a admiration for the routes that, like, the Master P's ran, and the Young Dogs. Even now, like, you know, quiet as kept, you got people like Money Man, and, you know, it's a lot of cats that's really shooting missiles independently. I mean, they may have minor, like, marketing management deals with, like, Empire or someone like that, but for the most part they own their entire career. And I definitely, man, I'm so knee deep in the cement, I can't, it makes no sense. It makes no sense whatsoever.
What would you say your rap style is like?
In terms of, like, if I were to be compared to another artist, or,
you know, just like your genre, like how you flow and how you feel like it sounds to people, like what you sound like in your opinion. You know, we don't gotta compare.
Man, I would say I sound like it's really a statement. Like, this is the statement. Damn, hold up, that's a Mexican? Yeah, that's the whatever that genre.
I said that too. I low-key said that when I heard you. You got some fire behind you, you know. It's kind of hard to believe, like, rap wasn't really around you, you know, much, right? Or was it?
Nah. Okay, so my mom's side of the family's from the East Coast. So when I was right around the time that we moved down to the country, I used to spend my summers as a child on the East Coast with my aunties and uncles up there. So my older cousin Dro, shout out Ink Like Dro in the city. He got the hottest tattoo shop in Dallas, Texas right now. But
he did one of my tattoos.
Yeah, straight up. That's my cousin. That's my older cousin. Okay, so Dro used to live in Memphis, and, you know, the music scene was big out in Memphis when he was growing up. So it's like we would, on the summer times, everyone would come together, all the kids. And so when I would get around him in the summers, he would freestyle. And it like, as a child, I was like so in awe about that shit. Like, I was like, damn, that's crazy. How are you doing this? Like, all off the top. And then, you know, I started to delve heavily, but I didn't have, you know, someone. I mean, my pops was a musician, but, like, it, you know, even as a child, it was non-existent in my life. You know what I'm saying? Like, there wasn't that presence. The only presence I did have was my cousin. When he was living in Memphis, he picked up freestyling. And when I saw him do that, I was like, damn, I want to do that. And then, you know, it just spiraled out of control from there.
Okay, so how you gonna make your money? You know, everybody can rap, but how you gonna make your money in rapping?
how I'm gonna make my money in rapping. Man, listen, you know, the thing is I look at rap as a sport, right? So the reason why my features do go and all of that and do consistently, you know, people seek me out is because rap is a sport. When we talking punchlines, nothing. I'm saying I got a love for a lot of cats that's doing and moving, and you know, that shit energizes me. I love it. I love to see my people win. You know what I'm saying? I love to see boys doing their thing and coming up and out. But I'm talking about like, it ain't even with the pen no more. I'm really just coming off this. But I'm saying like when we talking punchlines and like, damn, what did he just say? Man, I can't be faded. I can't be faded, man. And I would love to spar on any record with whoever that feel differently.
I dig it, I dig it. So, you're on what, I forgot the number, you're on the top 15
Yeah.
Hispanics in Texas. I just want to let you know you're the first Hispanic to grace LaPinkky the show.
Straight up.
And I honestly been saving it for somebody dope, and I honestly believe
I appreciate it.
You got that fire.
I appreciate it. Yeah,
so,
that's why I hit you, because I know you had hit me some time ago, and I've been, you know, I just be on the move, man. But I knew, I was like, man, let me, you know what I'm saying? I knew I was gonna be out here moving around, so I said, let me get out my girl, man. I promised her an interview, so let's do it.
For sure, for sure. So what can we expect next from you?
Man, so I just dropped No Love Left 3. That's going crazy. I got rid, you know, truth be told, and quiet as kept, I got No Love Left 4 done. I got No Love Left 5 done. And really any other, you know, random titled mixtape that I feel like dropping, I got that done too. But yeah, I'm just, you know, a lot of work, man. Over excessive work. I'll for sure drop 4 before the year's out, and possibly 5. But I got the No Mercy video. That's a single off of the tape that's gonna drop probably within the next 14 days. The animated video with Peso, my boy Peso, that's already out and moving. The video with Trap Boy Freddy and my boy West OG, that's already out and moving. So
okay, you out here.
Yeah, the only thing you can expect from me is consistency. I can't let up.
That is for sure. I definitely can appreciate some consistency.
Yeah, man. So that's where we at.
So, one more question. If you could collab with one mainstream artist right now, who you feel would be the dopest
Kevin
collab?
Gates. You ain't even gotta finish.
Shout out to Kevin.
Nah, for real, man. For real. Yeah, he crazy, man. I like, and it's crazy because, you know, you got artists like, you know, I really fuck with like Drake. Drake's pen is crazy. I don't care about none of the ghosts right now. I don't care about none of that shit. His pen is crazy. Eminem's pen is crazy. Jay's pen is crazy. It's a lot of people that, like, you know, I got a real big love for the lyricists. Even like Money Man. Like Money Man's going crazy right now, but really and truly, like, man, my boy Gates, he punches some. Yeah,
okay,
for sure.
We're gonna look forward to that.
It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
We're gonna look forward to it. So, you want to give any shout outs before we let you go?
Man, you know, the team, man. I appreciate it. Shout out to the team, the people that help and push me. Shout out to my family for being a motivation, and shout out to everybody that rocks with me, man. If you tuned in or ever lent me your ear for, you know, 30 seconds, I appreciate you. I appreciate whether you liked it or you didn't, man. Thank you.
All right, that's a wrap. Throw essay.
For sure. Wow.